Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today Insta360 have just released a teaser for their next camera. Let's watch it together and see what it's all about. Oh, I love Insta360 videos. I just love the way they produce their films. It must be tiny. It must be the GO3. Is it? Oh, they're so good. Those transitions are amazing. The GO3 is the GO3. It has to be the GO3. June 27th, the GO3 is coming. Just over a week away. What are we going to expect from this tiny little camera? Or let's break this video down and go through it again, guys. Let's see what this is all about. Like, look at that. That's something different for Insta360. We've got a screen there. They're showing us a screen. Why are they showing us a screen? That's not normal for Insta360 to show us something like that. So is there something extra with this GO3 that we don't know about that's really going to surprise us? That is super intriguing. So clearly, if we hold the shot there, the thumb is over the GO3 and there's something else behind it, which the screen let off. What's happening? Insta360, are they throwing us a curveball? I think so. Now, let's try and pick what's coming. Hey, let's have a guess of what they're gonna be doing and what this camera, this tiny little camera, is going to deliver. I think it's going to be a higher resolution. Look, I hope it will reach 4K resolution, but I think that's asking a lot out of that tiny little camera. But I think at least it will be close to 3K, at least around 3K. Definitely, I think they would have increased the battery life. Who's to say how long it's going to be increased for? Insta360 do marvelous jobs at those things, so definitely the battery life is going to be increased. Well, I can't wait until the 27th of June to see this get released. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. Look, I really hope that I'll be able to get my hands on one as soon as I can and give it a test run. I think Insta360 are just going to deliver us something that we are not expecting from them, and it's going to shock the action camera world. I really do think so. If you watched my last video and took a guess on what camera I was filming on, it was the Insta360 1-inch 360 edition. So the people that got that right, thumbs up to you, well done. Guys, thank you very much for watching this reaction video with me. Ooh, bring on the 27th of June. I cannot wait for that to happen. If you have liked this video, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Would mean the world to me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss the videos that are coming up. I'll leave descriptions for everything underneath. If you want to pick up an Insta360 product, please use my link. It helps support this channel and helps me grow. Until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.